How to pay with gift card on Shein app. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you on how you can pay with gift card on Shein app. For this, you want to open the Shein app on your device. Make sure to sign into your account. You can download this application from Play Store or App Store. Now, first of all, you can check your gift card balance. For that, simply tap on the gift card option on the home screen. Enter your card number over here and then enter your PIN here. After that, tap on the check balance option and see if you have enough balance. Now, if you want to pay with gift card, you want to explore the app over here and find the items that you want to purchase. Simply add them to your bag in this way. After that, you want to tap on the bag icon here. Then select the items that you want to purchase. Then tap on the checkout option over here. What you want to do here is enter your shipping address. Then select your shipping method. Now you want to select your payment method from here. After that, if you have any kind of vouchers, you can tap on apply vouchers and add it over here. Now, since you want to pay with your gift card, tap on the gift card option over here. Go ahead and enter your card number on the first box. After that, on the second box, enter your PIN number. Now tap on the apply option. Please note that the purchase amount will be deducted from the gift card balance once you click on the apply option. Now tap on the continue option here. Follow the on-screen prompts in order to place your order. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.